Greetings and salutations from Otto's outhouse. It's a work in progress. I just moved in. This is my first video ever. I was inspired by some creators out there. Eventually I will put a list out of the creators that inspired me. And it's not just for 3D printing or 3D printing creators. There are musicians, there are electricians, you name it. I have a lot of creators I'd like to thank for kind of pushing me to do this at this point in my life. I'm about to turn 60. And let's face it, time's getting short, and there's so much nonsense going on in the world, and I'd rather spend it having fun. A little about me, aside from the fact that I'm going to be turning 60 here soon, I do struggle with my mental health. And I know us men aren't supposed to say that, it's not an alpha male thing to show emotion or anything like that, but just know my channel's a safe space. And hopefully I can inspire some of you to maybe take on some projects, because I know the projects that I've taken on so far up to this point have helped me with my mental health. And I believe this is really gonna put it over the edge. I'm already thinking about business ideas and design ideas. Again, I may end up focusing on 3D printing, but I'd like to mess about and let you folks decide on what I should pursue as far as my channel. Now, normally people do unboxings. I'm not going to do that tonight. I just kind of wanted to take a moment and introduce myself. What I am going to do, however, is unbox and get this set up, and then I'll return. Thank you.